Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 7, air and atmosphere. Students, today we will discuss the last key concept, air quality. So let us start. Air quality. Students, you already know that air is essential for the survival of life on the earth, but it should be free from impurities. The condition of air around us is known as air quality. Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological character of air leads to air pollution. So now you understand what is air pollution. Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological character of air is called air pollution. What are air pollutants? Any substance which pollutes the air. For example, smoke, dust, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, etc. Students, let us study the sources and effects of some of the air pollutants. First, carbon monoxide. CO, the formula is CO, C for carbon, O for oxygen. Carbon monoxide is released from the exhaust of vehicles due to the incomplete burning of petrol and diesel. Carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin present in the blood and forms a stable compound called carboxyhemoglobin. Students, in the previous classes, we have studied that the function of hemoglobin in the blood is to carry oxygen. But what will happen if hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide? It forms a stable compound carboxyhemoglobin which restricts the capacity of blood to carry oxygen. That's why carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. Sulfur dioxide is produced by the combustion of fuels like coal in power plants. Oxides of nitrogen are released from the automobiles and some industries using coal. A fog-like layer remains in the atmosphere during winter in the metropolitan cities. This is a mixture of smoke and fog and is called smog. It also contains oxides of nitrogen. It is very harmful as it affects our eyes, lungs, throat, etc. Acid rain. In the presence of moisture in air, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are oxidized to sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. These acids combine with rain to form acid rain. Let us see the reaction how acid rain is formed. Sulfur dioxide plus water gives sulfurous acid. Sulfur trioxide plus water gives sulfuric acid. Sulfurous acid, that is formed by the combination of sulfur dioxide and water. Sulfurous acid plus oxygen forms sulfuric acid. Then nitrogen dioxide and water combines to form nitrous acid and nitric acid both. Acid rain is very harmful. Acid rain kills aquatic life, causes damage to buildings, leads to loss of soil fertility and corrodes metallic structures. The fourth pollutant, air pollutants, smoke, dust and other particulate matter. Smoke containing carbon particles is produced from factories, power plants, volcanic eruptions, etc. Dust is scattered by wind and moving vehicles. Combustion of petrol and diesel may release heavy metals like lead, copper, cadmium in the air. Smoke and dust cause irritation in the eyes and cause respiratory problems like asthma, bronchitis. Lead is a carcinogen. Lead is a heavy metal and it is a carcinogen. What is a carcinogen? A carcinogen is defined as a cancer-causing agent. The agent that causes cancer are called carcinogen. So lead is a carcinogen because it causes cancer. It can also cause harm to nervous system and kidney. Cadmium is also a carcinogen. Chlorofluorocarbons. These are used in refrigerators, air conditioners and aerosol spray cans. When these are released in the air, they deplete the ozone layer of the atmosphere. Students, previously we have discussed that ozone layer is helpful for us as it prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays to reach the earth. But chlorofluorocarbon corrodes or depletes the ozone layer. As a result, harmful ultraviolet rays reach the earth. Any contact with ultraviolet rays leads to skin cancer, damages eyes and kills aquatic plants and animals. Students, many methods are discussed in your book to reduce how to reduce air pollution. I am discussing a few. First is making internal combustion engine. Making internal combustion engine in automobiles more efficient for complete and efficient burning of fuel. When the fuel is burnt efficiently and completely, it does not produce any type of air pollutant. Installing catalytic converter in the automobiles. Installing catalytic converter in automobiles that converts unburnt hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide gas into harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide. That's why we must install catalytic converter in the automobiles. Using unleaded fuel for running automobiles. As we have seen that lead is very harmful as it is a carcinogen, so our fuel must be free from lead. We should use unleaded fuel for running automobiles. Few other methods are discussed in the book. They are afforestation, then 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. These methods are discussed in your book. You should go through these other methods to reduce air pollution. Students, I am giving you few assignments. What are air pollutants? Discuss the sources of 5 major air pollutants. And what is air pollution? How can it be reduced? Thank you.